After this video, you will know how to learn the German past forms. As I've been to and taught German in 48 countries in total, I know how hard it is to learn the German past, how to say what happened yesterday. Therefore, see this. What you need to know about the German past forms is that there are 3 forms in total, and that these forms are horribly complicated. Therefore, you should also know that the 3rd form is actually not in use. So do not learn the 3rd past form, the Plusquamperfekt. In addition, you should know that the 1st past, the imperfect, is also almost not in use at all. It is only used for 9 verbs in total. And these verbs you will learn in the course. So therefore, focus only on learning the perfect, the 2nd past, and all the other 2 pasts, just skip them. Nobody uses them anymore. They're too complicated to learn. I welcome you to the Easy German Grammar course A2. This one specialized on the German times. So in this course, you will learn on the one side how to say the German future times, to say something will happen tomorrow, and how to say the German past times. So what happened yesterday. I say Guten Tag, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, and Ni Hao. My name is Kevin. I'm your native German language instructor. I have been in these locations in Germany and been around Germany, mainly serving as a German tank officer. But what I would like to share with you the most is my experience that I made teaching German in 48 countries in total, as I lived in Mongolia, Senbano, in the mountains of Uzbekistan, Salam, as well as in Norway. We can snacka norsk med varandra. Most of the time living in Lithuania, mezgalima kalbiti lietuviškai, or in beautiful Mexico. Vámonos a hablar en español in Peru, as well as I lived in India for a short term. In this course, the goal is to know at the end all the German time forms there are, which is crucial to pass the A2 level. After that course, you will manage perfectly how to use the German times. In this process, you will go through 11 units. So if you are annoyed by all those books that teach you times in German in a very complicated matter, I know this feeling, as I passed, or let's say I failed in school to learn English, French, and even in my mother tongue German. So I had to teach 5 languages myself to pass the exams, and this course is based on the perspective of a student, as I was a student myself, instead of the perspective of a teacher. So we will not work with boring books, but with an own logical grammar unit that at the end we create your personal grammar book that you can use all the time. So click further to your way of success in German, and maybe if you're curious to know what the Vikings have in common with the German language, I welcome you back on board for the 2nd course of German language made easy. Buy the course now to join our ranks on board, and I will guide you safely through the waves of the German time. See you soon on board.